Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Irfan Hakimi Vinasan. I one of group member from group 3.
Hi everyone, my name is Sharafina Anna Winston and I am one of the group members.
My name is Diva Miru Bizenoren. I am from one of the group 3.
Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Nur Iqmal bin Basron. I am one of the group member from group 3. Our topic for this presentation is bus accidents. For table of contents, it has 6 contents, which is the first one is introduction, data collected, frequency, cumulative frequency table, and graph, calculation, conclusion, and the last one is reference. Our topic for this presentation is bus accidents. For table of contents, it has 6 contents, which is the first one is introduction, data collected, frequency, cumulative frequency table, and graph, calculation, conclusion, and the last one is reference. Our topic for this presentation is bus accidents. For table of contents, for the first main point is driver negligence caused bus accident. Bus accidents in Malaysia are mainly caused by careless drivers. Some drivers drive dangerously, drunk, angry, or tired. Many work overtime to earn more money and ignore rest time, which leads to drowsy driving. Although earning more income is important, exceeding work limits increase the risk of accident. Second point is bus safety is important due to high usage. That buses are widely used in Malaysia, especially by people who cannot afford private vehicles. Because buses are heavily used, safety becomes very important. If drivers ignore safety ethics, accident can happen anytime, putting many lives at risk. Last is, heavy vehicle accidents are more dangerous. Road accidents are a major global issue caused by human error, environment, and mechanical problems. Heavy vehicles like bus or lorries are more dangerous due to their size, weight, and impact force. They require more control and longer braking distance, and accidents involving them often lead to serious injuries, death, and major property damage. Thank you.
Today, I will be presenting about the data collected on bus accident statistics from the year 2020 until November 2024. The figures show the statistics of bus accident from 2020 to 2024. In 2020, the total number of accident record was 29 cases. In 2021, the number increased to 44 cases. In 2022, the case increased further to 80 cases. In 2023, the total accident rose significantly to 121 cases. Finally, in 2024, the number reached the highest value, which is 149 cases. From the 2020 data, severely injured case record 11 cases, minor injured record 43 cases, death record the highest number, which is 86 cases, damaged vehicle record 9 cases. This clearly shows that death case contribute the highest number of accidents in 2024. Therefore, this data show an increasing trend in bus accident from year to year. Next, we construct the frequency and cumulative frequency table based on the 2024 data. For severely injured case, the frequency is 11, so cumulative frequency also start at 11. For minor injured, the frequency is 43. The cumulative frequency become 54, which is 11 plus 43. Next, death record 86 case, so the cumulative frequency increased to 140. Then damage case record 9 case, the cumulative frequency become 149. Finally, the total frequency is 149 case. The table help us understand the distribution of accident severity and how the number accumulate from lowest to highest category. Thank you.
So my name is Sharafina Anna Winston, and I will explain about the graph of cases involving bus accidents in 2024. So for severely injured, it record 11 cases, while minor injured record 43 cases. For the highest cases record is 86, and the lowest record is 9, which is cases involving damage. So my name is Sharafina Anna Winston, and I will explain about the graph of cases involving bus accidents in 2024. So for severely injured, it record 11 cases, while minor injured record 43 cases. For the highest cases record is 86, and the lowest record is 9, which is cases involving damage. So my name is Sharafina. So we move on to the next part, which is 4.0 for calculation. The first one is mode, which is death, is 86. Second one is mean, where we add all the frequency and divided by 4. So 11 plus 43 plus 86 plus 9 divided by 4. So we will get 49 over 4. And then the final answer is 12.25. So a case that close to mean is severely injured. The third one is median. So we arrange all the number from the lowest to the highest, which is 9, 11, 43, and 86. So for the median, we have two number in the middle, which is 11 for severely injured and 43 for minor injured. So we will add two number and divide it by 2, which is 11 plus 43 over 2. We will get the final answer is 27. So that's all for my part. I will pass it to the next person.
Let me conclude this clearly. The data shows a very serious problem. There is bus accident fatalities increased from 18 in 2023 to 56 in the following year. That's almost 4 times higher. This is not a small issue. This is a major failure in safety. So, what does this tell us? Simple. The current safety system is not effective. If it was working, we wouldn't see such a huge increase. Now, what needs to be done? First, stricter enforcement of traffic law. Rules already exist, but they are not being followed properly. Second, regular and true vehicle inspection. Unsafe bus should never be allowed on the road. Third, better training for driver. Skill and awareness must be improved because human error plays a big role. Fourth, road condition must be upgraded. Even the best driver cannot perform well on unsafe roads. Finally, this is about responsibility. Authorities transport companies and even the public must work together. No one can ignore this issue. If these actions are taken seriously, we can reduce accident. If not, the situation will only get worse. That's all for my conclusion. Thank you.